How to add Spotify music to Instagram story with sound. Want to share your favorite Spotify songs with sound directly to your Instagram story? Instagram just made it possible, and it sounds amazing. Don't miss out on this new feature. Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to share songs from Spotify to your Instagram story with the actual audio playing. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Spotify. Open the Spotify app and find the song you want to share. Step 2. Tap Share. Tap the three dots next to the song title, then select Share. Or you can tap the share icon in the bottom right corner of the player screen. Step 3. Choose Background. Depending on the track, you might be able to customize your story's look. Choose a background, like a video clip, photo, solid color, or gradient. Step 4. Share to Instagram Stories. Now tap the Instagram Stories icon. This will open the Instagram app with your selected song and background already loaded. Step 5. Edit your story. You'll see the album art added as a sticker. You can move and resize it, then add text, GIFs, or other stickers just like any other Instagram story. Step 6. Post it. Once you're happy with the design, tap your story or close friends to post it. Bonus: what viewers see. When your followers watch your story, they'll hear the song and can tap the album cover or text to open the track in Spotify. And that's it! You've just shared a Spotify song to Instagram with sound. Want your friends to see what you're listening to right now? Click the video on your screen to learn how to share your current Spotify activity. If this video helped you out, tap like and hit subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials, new videos every day.